My video is dedicated to help you get rid of the new ransomware called Vvwq. Vvwq is the new DJVU ransomware. It encrypts the files and damages these files considerably. The video is demonstrating how the ransomware affects the files. So you can clearly see that before the ransomware attack, you are able to open files without problems, such as pictures, music, Microsoft Office, documents, and other data. Regretfully, because of some existing vulnerabilities, this particular ransomware may be easily injected into the device. And when people restart their computers or turn them on someday, they soon realize that they just cannot use their documents. The ransomware damages the files. The ransomware damages pictures and other data which people store on their computers. Because of the ransomware attack, of course, people cannot access their files anymore. All these files are horribly damaged and encrypted. You try to open this specific file and this is the message that you get, mentioning that Windows cannot open this type of file with the Vvwq extension. The ransomware tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file recovery. The ransom amount is $980 But paying the ransom does not guarantee that the files would be restored. If you pay the ransom, you may simply lose your money. Go to the task manager first of all. Look for suspicious processes with long random names like this one. Right-click on it and end its task to stop the further file encryption. Then I recommend you to download a special program called Combo Cleaner Antivirus. It will help you to detect this ransomware, to remove it effectively, and to protect your files in the future. So you may get Combo Cleaner on this official page, combocleaner.com. Download the software, install it, and then begin researching and investigating your system. The program is initially in the trial mode. Only the quick scan option is available in the trial. Click on Start Scan button. Then a Combo Cleaner Antivirus will begin scanning and researching your system. While the scanning is taking place, I want to emphasize your attention on the feature of Combo Cleaner called Anti-Ransomware. You may go to the settings of Combo Cleaner and select Anti-Ransomware tab. You can add one or several folders on your computer that will always be protected against ransomware attacks. But this feature is the part of the premium license only. So at the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of the threats. You will be able to know the locations of these threats on your computer. I strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license as the best solution to protect your data from any other possible ransomware attacks. And please find the detailed link for the detailed article about this ransomware in the description for the video.